सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. So friends, today the hot topic is how to flash Lenovo P2 Pure Android Stock ROM Marshmallow 6.0. Friends, for flashing this ROM, we do not need any technician and we do not need any DWRP or ADB drivers or any kind of tool, and also root. It's only one-click method who everyone can flash this stock ROM without support any local technician. It's a completely pure Android stock ROM which I received from official Lenovo Care. So friends, wanna waste our time? I will show you how to flash this stock ROM. Let's get started. It's very simple friends. First of all, we have to switch on our phone in fast boot mode by pressing volume down and power button simultaneously. Friends, our phone is now in fast boot mode. Plug your phone via USB cable to PC. When it was connected, the related drivers has been automatically installed on your PC. Wait until drivers install. Once your drivers install, then we have to look up the firmware flash. Friends, this is a firmware flash which I already mentioned in the below link description. You may download it. Open the folder. Your drivers also provided. You may download it. After install drivers, you need to flash stock ROM. Friends, here you find ucul.exe. It's the only one exe which can flash our entire ROM with Marshmallow. We do not need any DOS prompt to copy each and every file. The exe is completely programmed to flash your phone completely until and it reboots also automatically. After your phone connected into fast boot mode, just we may have double click this ucul.exe. See friends, it automatically detecting your phone and start install Marshmallow stock ROM. See friends, how easy this we can do our own and we do not need with any other support. If your custom ROM gone any bugs, then you could flash this ROM very easily. Friends, this ROM supports with Volte and it update with OTA. You can update after this flash ROM as no gut. See friends, with only one click, it automatically installing complete ROM. We just leave the phone until it's completely same message. Restart your phone. The ROM is specially developed in Lenovo Care which I got early for my channel users. So friends, download this ROM and keep you in your PC or phone for your better future safe side. If anything's happened to your phone, you may flash this ROM very easily. Friends, see my phone is automatically rebooted after successfully completed. Here the message appears, press any key to continue. Now my phone is successfully flashed. When this message appears, simply press any key and it automatically exit this application and your phone is successfully rebooted. Remove this USB cable. See friends, my phone is booted. Friends, you can see properties of my phone. Android version 6.0.1. Friends, I am going to check OTA updates, whether it supports or not. About phone, click on system updates. See friends, the update is available and ready for install. So friends, this is a tutorial to how to install Pure Android stock ROM Marshmallow. Friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please press on like button and don't forget to subscribe, which I bring you latest updates about this phone. Thank you friends. Bye bye friends.